Hi, in this video we're going to have the equation of a circle. So we have here two different forms. We have the standard form of the circle, which is x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared. And then for the general form, we have this one, x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Our target here is to get the different equations in standard form and general form of circle given the center and its radius. So, shall we start? In this given example in number 1, the center here is given as 3 and negative 4. And the radius of the circle is equal to 5. So the question here is, how are we going to find the equation of the circle in standard form? Using this pattern or this form, we have x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared. We need to substitute the value of h and k and r. This is your h. This is your h. This is your k. And this is your r. We need to substitute these values to the given form. So to substitute, we have the quantity of x minus 3. Because this one is positive, multiply it by negative, the answer is negative squared. Plus the quantity of y. Look at the value of your k. The value of your k is negative 4 times negative. So this one will be plus 4 raised to 2. Then after that, we have your radius or r as 5. So you have here 5 squared. And then to get the standard form of the equation, simply simplify 5 squared. So therefore, the standard form of the equation is simply x minus 3 squared plus the quantity of y plus 4 squared, and this is equal to 25. So this is the standard form of the equation of the circle given the center of 3, negative 4 and the radius of 5. The next thing that we need to know is on how to get the general form of the equation of the circle from this standard form. So I will show you how. So we know that we have this standard form as x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared is equal to 25. We all know that x minus 3 is simply x minus 3 times x minus 3 plus this y plus 4 raised to 2 is simply y plus 4 times y plus 4, then be equal to 25. If you will apply FOIL method, this will give you x squared minus 6x plus 9. Same here with y plus 4 times y plus 4. If you will apply FOIL method, this will give you plus y squared plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 25. Now the next thing you need to do in this part of the equation or solution that we have here is to follow the general form. We have here x squared, same arrangement, x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Your f here stands for the constants. So the first thing is you have your x squared. So we have here x squared. Next term should be the y squared For the third term, it is the term with x, or the linear term. We have here negative 6x. For the second one is the linear term with y variable. So you have, oh, this should be 8y, sorry, plus 8y plus 16, and then we're going to transpose or transfer 25 to the other side of the equation. So this is negative 25 be equal to 0. Then after that, simplify natin to. We're going to simplify 16 minus 25. So the final answer, or the general form of the equation of the circle, is that we have x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y minus 9 be equal to 0. So that's it. This is the general form of the equation of the circle, given that the center of the circle is 3, negative 4, and the radius is 5. So I hope in this video you learned something about the equation of a circle. If you want to clarify or ask something about this video, you can put some comment in our comment section. Thank you. Mabuhay.